What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome video for you all to enjoy. Today we are making some Italian sausage pasta. This right here is amazing. So easy to make as always, but it has so many amazing flavors for you to love and enjoy. We're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna get right on into it. So let's get started. So to begin, I have a pot of water to a rolling boil. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt into that water, and then we are gonna toss in our pasta. For this video, we are using Bowtie pasta. For no particular reason, I just felt like using Bowtie. You can use any pasta of your choosing. We're gonna let that boil until it's al dente. Once it is, you wanna drain it and set it off to the side. Moving on, I have my pan to about a medium heat. I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're gonna drop that Italian sausage right on in. You wanna go ahead and grab yourself a spoon and just break that sausage up. Once your sausage starts to turn a little bit brown like this, you're pretty much ready to introduce some of the other ingredients that we'll be working with, which is some bell peppers that we have chopped up. This is like a trio. You know, we got the yellow, we got the orange, we got the red, okay? You wanna get that in there, as well as some onion, and you wanna go ahead and mix that together. Let me know in the comments below, have you seen our previous video in which we made this amazing lobster roll? Man, that was so good. You got to check that out if you haven't already. Moving on, you want to go ahead and drop in 24 ounces of your favorite pasta sauce. Get that into the pan, mixed up, well incorporated with everything else. And by the way, all the ingredients will always be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to, so you don't have to worry if you miss it on the screen. It will always be in the description box. We just dropped in a little bit of our seasoning blend. We got that in there. You want to go ahead and give that a mix as well. And once that's taken care of, you want to reintroduce your pasta to this dish right here. I'm just slowly tossing a little bit in there, give it a mix, toss in the rest, give it a mix, and this is how you should be looking once everything is in there. In a second here, I'm gonna just top it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, as well as some grated Parmesan cheese. I want to get that on top, and you are pretty much ready to go and ready to bust down. In a second here, you know your boy has to give this one a try, and we will do so on camera. All right, this is smelling so good right now. You know we got to give you the official taste test. This just, wow, it's just hitting right now. All the amazing aromas right here. Looking good, smelling good, okay? All right, let's take a big bite. Let's get everything all in there. We got the bell peppers, the onion, the delicious Italian sausage. Wow. It's so yummy. My son is in the background, don't mind him. It is so yummy, oh my. All the elements are coming together. The little bit of red pepper flakes add the perfect amount of little kick to this recipe right here. I need a chair, guys. I gotta sit down for this one. I have to sit down for this one. This is amazing. Jeez. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. You do not want to miss out on one of these amazing recipes, and hitting that notification bell ensures that you are notified every time I upload. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit me with a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Comment down below Let me know what you think about today's video, as well as any suggestions that you want to see on the channel as far as recipes in the future, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.